What is going on, guys? Good afternoon, by the way. It is about noon on the Sunday, and me and little man, we're just down here at the laundromat. We keep calling this a laundromat, huh? It's not a laundromat anymore. What you think, bud? Alright, let's come in. Come on, bud. Dad's got to set the alarm. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. That alarm went off, huh? What you think, bud? There's no door. Look. See that? Dad took that all out. So guys, I got the little guy with me. I'm sure the alarm company is going to call me now since that went off. Not sure why it went off, but at least we know the alarm is working. So here's what we got going on, guys. I didn't vlog anything yesterday. 'Cause we tore that all out. There used to be 2 doors there. We're leaving that just to keep it separation. And it is coming together. So it's my first Sunday that we had the laundromat closed, and it just feels good not having to like come down here, open it up, then go home and all this stuff, you know, and worrying about people calling this and that, you know. It's weird, you guys. It is weird, but I'm enjoying it. Get to spend some more time with the little guy, right, bud? Oh. What's that noise? Oh. So get to spend more time with this little guy. And Amy's with her mom for her birthday. Is it Grandma's birthday? Yeah? How old's Grandma?
I don't know.
Oh. So yeah, Amy's with her mom, taking her mom out for her birthday. And I'm watching the boys, the other guys playing games. So me and Cole's down here. Just checking out the space. Oh, it feels good, guys. Feels good. We're gonna go check out the fish, guys. Good, bud. Garbage is full. We're ready. Go check out the fish. Make sure the bait shop is alive, right? Alright. Oh, the weight on my shoulder, guys. Oh yeah, it's on now, right? Alright, now we gotta get the water back. This thing back, open back up, bud.
Uh-oh.
See any fish? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we gotta get the water pumping back up.
Wait, this fish is frozen.
What?
Right here.
You gonna scoop them out, the dead ones?
I don't know if I can.
Like that? Some dead ones in there. See them? There's some more. There's a little one. Okay, here you go, bud. You want to toss them outside? Go down by the water, toss them. So I didn't post any video this weekend. I think I did Saturday, but not Sunday. Just took a day break from vlogging, but I will continue keep doing the daily vlogs here. And so here's what we got, you guys, for update on the shop here, the new Daily Hustle shop. As you can see, we tore out that wall right there, and we're gonna we took that all off. We're gonna leave that wall though. We are going to take that orange door out and put in a 6-foot door. That's I think like less than 4 feet, I think, that door. So that is the plan. We're keeping that wood deal there, you know, that wood veneer looking thing in there. But I think we're gonna paint this. I don't know. We're gonna paint that wall black. Everything black, and I think we are gonna sheetrock this. We're gonna take the cabinet out, and then we're gonna sheetrock that. And so that is the plan. I'm thinking we're gonna black. We're gonna do some black walls and still keep the white walls. And I don't know what we might rip up that wood stuff. The theme in here is gonna be black and white. So black, white, maybe a little gray, but that's the color scheme that I'm looking for. And I don't want this place to just feel like it's a embroidery shop, right? We want to have a nice retail. We want to have a nice space to work in and just feel good in here. Feel good and have customers come in. Because yeah, that's all going to be retail right there. Customers come in and it feels good just to walk in here, you know? Feels fresh. Feels like you want to buy something. You want to get hats made. You want to get sweaters made, you know? And we just want to have it exciting. Just make it fun and exciting in here. The environment, you know, make the environment fun and exciting. And so we're going to get some monitors as well. I'm going to monitor the sales and stuff on the computers. So we want it all up. I don't know where I'm going to put the monitors yet. Plus we want one monitor to play the Daily Hustle in the background, the vlogs and stuff. Because I really want this to feel like the Daily Hustle. It's not just an embroidery shop. It's a home of the Daily Hustle. And so, man, you know, well, today's just going to be the talking vlog. Rip all this out too as well. I don't know yet. All this wood panel. So that is the game plan. And man, I am excited, you guys. I am excited. So tomorrow the plumbers are coming back in. They're gonna knock. As you can see, there was 3 pipes in here, drain pipes. So like this one, they already knocked it down, capped it, and same thing over there. Nope, they haven't capped that yet. So they'll have to do it here, cut that out, find that right here. Because there's the drain, and then there's this pipe here too. So they're gonna cut that and cap it so that the smell, you know, the smell doesn't come up. Same thing over there, same thing over here. A little update on the landscaping lawn care. And so tomorrow we're gonna go put a bid in for the townhomes and stuff again. So we're gonna do that. We've got landscaping lined up a lot, you guys. We've got a lot of landscaping lined up. I got a few small landscaping projects I gotta go meet clients with Monday here. That's tomorrow. And so, but there's some big projects out there that I've still got to I still have to connect with the customer and go over material and pricing and all that stuff. So we've got work lined up. We also are going to be stepping up our fertilizing and spraying part of the business. And so Michael's gonna, right now Michael has a license to spray, to do weed control. And so he'll be taking care of that. And I don't know, I've got to hire some more people, I think. And so we're gonna have to do that because the spring rush is gonna come. I mean, we had a few nice days and we've been getting phone calls, and now once it gets even nicer, it's just gonna be crazy. You know, you guys understand how that spring rush is. And today I went to look at some furnitures and some retail counter and just racks, and there's a lot that we have to look at to get the space up and going and looking nice. And so yeah, I just want to thank you guys, the ones that been placing orders with us. It's amazing how much support that we've got from everybody, and it's, I'd say 90% of our sales is online. It's from you guys. It's from the internet, and it's surprising to me, and it's given us the ability to just expand just like this, and I thank you guys for that. To the ones all placed an order, it's amazing, and so I really thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. And to the ones that are, like 10% of our locals, and we have locals that do come in and support us as well. And so we try to put out, it's been a learning experience for us, you guys. It's been a learning experience. Came into this embroidery business just spinning my head, but we're making it run, we're making it flow. And thank you for everybody's patience, letting us learn and grow as well. We got the Daily Hustle Midwest Tour sponsored by Bobcat Mowers coming up. So that's April 10th to the 12th. And again, guys, here's the hat that we're going to be punching out here in a week or so. We'll be making 300 hats of these Bobcat Mower and Daily Hustle collab exclusive hats. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put the link down in the description of where we're going to be traveling this year. I'm taking Amy with us, or with me. It's just going to be me and Amy on the tour, and it's just just feels good to have her ride shotgun with me along to go meet you guys and see what this hustle's all about. It's ever since she quit daycare, it wasn't easy, you guys, when she quit daycare, for her to jump into the embroidery business and help me figure it out. And one of these days, Amy and I will sit down and share our thoughts and feelings about what we went through when she did quit, and how it felt, and what it was like working together. And so one of these days we'll sit down and share that with you guys. The good, the bad, and the ugly. We'll definitely be transparent and let you guys know. And so yeah, I'm excited to take her along this year. I'm excited. And so that's it, guys. I don't want to ramble too much. I don't want this to be a 25-minute rant just talking. And so I'll just give you another overview here of what we're doing. So yeah, we got that all framed up. We're going to do the same on that side. AC condenser's already on, and they're running. Oh, here's where the slots are. Here's the vent that's going to come out for AC heat. There's another one there. There's one up there. There's one there and one down there, and then one in the center here. So we've got a lot of vents that's going to be coming down to heat and cool this place. And so it's a big area, you guys. It's a big area. Big. It definitely opened it up with that wall down right there. So as the days and weeks progress, you guys, I'll keep you guys updated. But tomorrow I've got to be in the embroidery shop with the gals. We've got a few orders that they need my help with. And so Brianne, I'll introduce you guys to Brianne, our new help. And yeah, gives you guys just a look of give you guys a look into our work, our Daily Hustle embroidery shop. So all right, guys, if you guys enjoyed me rambling, comment down below. If you didn't, comment down below. But that's all I got today, guys. All right, take care and go out and get it, guys. Go out and get it. Later.